Good afternoon. Today I am going to show you how to view work that needs to be reviewed. So the first thing you need to do is in your Google Classroom, you'll go up to the three horizontal bars and go ahead and click on those. The class that I'm going to review is already highlighted today in the light blue, RUP-L July of 20. So you have a couple options. There's to review and to do. I'm going to start with to review, so I'll click on that one today. And what it's going to do is give you the option to look at all of the classes you're in and I believe you are teaching, and just give you an overview of what you have already graded and what you need to grade. So if you look at all classes, you can also go ahead and delineate that. So I'm just going to go down here to RUP-L July 20 for our class. So if you look, here are the assignments that I have assigned for other people to finish. So far, I have 1 assigned and 3 graded on my first one. And for the other 2, I have them all graded. The next thing you can do is look at your actual reviewed items, and it says right now I have no reviewed items. Here you'll find work that you have marked as reviewed. So I'm going to go back to this one where it says to review, and I'm going to leave this one because I still have 1 assignment out, but I'm going to mark as both of these as reviewed, so then it tells me that I'm already finished with that assignment, that all the scores have been turned in. So now they've moved over to this side on the review. Back to our classes, again on those horizontal bars, I'm going to click on my class for this class, RUP-L July 20. I'm going to come down this time to do. And we'll look at the difference between them. Again, you can look at all of your classes, but I'm going to focus on, let's see here. Probably, for example, I was a student in Clausen's class, so I'm going to click on that one, and it says I have no work to do, which is good. And I'm going to look at done, and here are the 3 assignments that I have already completed. I'm going to switch back to the to do category. And this time I'm going to look at Kenise. It says I have no work to do. Double check on the done side, and it says I have everything turned in. Then I would continue down to RUP-B, and it says I have no work to do. And on this end, everything is completed. So that's just a quick overview of what you can do with both the review and the to-do list.